Okay, today we're going to take a look at a pretty nice little Zippo. Now this one arrived in the normal black box, but the label is missing. You can see it's been ripped off. Nevertheless, it's a genuine Zippo made in the USA in Bradford, PA. And here's a first look at the King of Hearts. Now this is on a high polished stainless steel background. So one way it's easy to see and one way it's kind of difficult. Let's see if this helps. So that's the King of Hearts on a high polish finish, and it is high polish all around. And this was made in G of 19, so that I believe is July of 19 of this year. It's got a real good sound with a steel insert. Lights up like a king should. That is the King of Hearts. Let's do a drop test on the King. A lit drop test. So the King passes the drop test, the lit drop test. Long live the King. And this actually is the only King Zippo I have. I'm going to put him right over there between a few of my aces. And that definitely deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bomb.